Alright, my love, so this was sent to me by Gershion. I don't know how to pronounce it. I apologize if I messed it up. But they sent me this polygel in the color clear. So we're going to be doing a set today using this polygel. Now, let's open it. Oops. One thing I really like about this brand is I noticed it has its mission statement on the back, and mission statements are really important, you guys. Like, if you do have a business, make sure that you have your mission statement, because you need to know, you need to let people know what your goal is as a company. It's just professional and just the way to go. So I will have a discount code for you guys. Just check the description box as always. So it comes with this thank you, just a little thank you card, and then it has their page information and social medias. And I really like how professional this brand is. And 8 years in the making, so of course they're gonna be professional. But here are instructions on exactly how to apply the dual forms. And you guys know I really don't do polygel, but I am trying to branch out and do more now that I am in nail tech school. So, you know, this just has instructions on how to apply it. It did just come with this. It did not come with the slip solution, so we will be using alcohol like we did last time. I just put this in this container because I needed my dapping dish, and I don't know what happened to the rest of mine. So it's a pretty decent size tube, 60 milliliters. This is really big. Of course, avoid direct sunlight or extreme exposure to LED or UV lamps, because this will cure and you will not have any more, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and start by prepping my nails. I'm actually gonna do it on my hand because last time, I know it was a little wonky, you guys, but that was really, it was really hard to maneuver. The one that I was using in my last polygel, the Femi Beauty one, it was a tad bit hard to use, one, because I've never used it before, but as well as the fact of it was really thick. So hopefully this isn't as thick as that one. Was gonna be a lot easier to use.
So the nail tips that I'm using came from Beetles. In the original packaging, it was actually 3 sets of tips, so, well, 3 shapes. So it was the stiletto, it had ballerina, and it also had square, and it came with like 0 through 10 of each of those. The only issue that I have with these tips is that the side walls on the tips are really wide, so of course I have to file them down with my, my file to make sure that they fit my side wall perfectly. And they're a tad bit flimsy, but besides that, they're really good tips. And once you put the acrylic or the polygel on there, it hardens and it becomes sturdy. So if you're a nail addict like me and you constantly like to change your nails, I would suggest getting this Keratin 3-Day Growth formula serum. I don't know, but I picked it up from Walmart, and I know they have it on Amazon too, but it helps protect my nails as well as help them grow and, keep the breakage down from me constantly changing my sets. So when I was shopping on Amazon, I found this Young Nails nail glue. And when I tell you, I ain't never in life paid $11 for some nail glue. I did that day. But I love my 𝐒𝐬𝐫 glue, but this is a nice glue as well. And especially if you like brush on nail glues, definitely worth purchasing. I already know I'm using my nailprintz decals, so go ahead and click the link in the description box to get 10% off using my code. Yes, you guys, I have a code, Camille Dior, at checkout. 10% off your entire order, honey. Okay, go ahead and get your nail prints. These are so fire. Like, I just suck sometimes at trying to place it on my nail, but these are definitely high quality nail decals. Like, you'll see the encapsulation, honey. Like, it is fire. Instead of using alcohol, I used base coat as my slip solution. I did get this key from another YouTuber, but I did not take into account for the base coat being sticky, and the poly gel is already sticky, so it was a really sticky situation. But the nails came out crystal clear like I wanted them to, so I wasn't mad at the little extra work I had to put in there. Please don't be like me. Make sure that you actually adhere your letters down, because when I was moving the poly gel around, so was the letters. Even though I was trying to encapsulate them, they still did move. So make sure you either add a another coat of base coat and then apply your stickers and cure it and then go in with the poly gel, or use some type of adhesive to make sure that your letters do stay stuck. So I can honestly say that this was a really great product. I know I'm a poly beginner. I'm new to polygel, but this is very beginner friendly. Like, these nails were so simple to create and the polygel was so easy to maneuver. It was very smooth. And now that I'm thinking about it, I'm pretty sure I could have still used the alcohol to like be my slip solution, because I really just needed it to clean off my brush. But anywho, I definitely am grateful that the brand did send me this product to test out, because these nails are so freaking bomb. Like, y'all see these nails, so definitely check out the link in the description box.